Hey friends, it's Jenna, also known as Empty Hanger. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing video. Not just any unboxing, it's a grandma unboxing. So she sent me this huge box. If you're new to my channel, she lives up in New York City. She loves to thrift shop. I'm a full-time seller on the Poshmark app, and she sends me her thrift hauls to sell on Poshmark. The best part is opening this box because I have no idea what's inside, so let's just go ahead and dig in. Okay, we got her open. As you can see, it's packed to the very top. And it's really heavy, so I'm just gonna keep it next to me here. And we'll go ahead and dig out the first piece, which is a pair of workout capris. Actually, this has a skirt on top of it, so it's a pair of workout capris. They've got this mesh paneling on the back, and it has a built-in skirt, and they are by Athleta. They are a small tall, so an ST is a small tall. Those are really cute. I'll probably list those at $40 or $45. Next up, we have a really cool festival style top almost. This is by Zara. So it's a Zara woman. It feels like suede. It's either real suede or faux suede, and it's got this great fringy bottom, and the back actually buttons up the back. This is super cute. I'll probably list this at like $35 maybe. I really like that. Okay, next up, we have a beautiful floral print top. So it's got a floral print, and then it also has this tie on the front. So it's got the tie neck, long sleeves, and the brand is Meta Rue, which is from Anthropologie. I love selling Anthropologie brands, and I'll probably list this at $35. That's a beautiful fall top. It's in excellent condition. Next thing we have, I love when she wraps stuff in the plastic. It's really like opening a present. This feels like a, I'm not sure if it's a swimsuit top, like a rash guard, or just a regular top, but it's got these mesh sleeves, and then the back has this zipper down the back, so it kind of looks like a rash guard, but I think it's a regular blouse. And the brand is Millie. So Millie is a good designer brand. I don't always pick it up because sometimes it takes a little longer to sell, but this is a really great, colorful, fun piece, so I think that'll do well. I'll probably list it at like $40 maybe. Next thing I see is a graphic tee. So I love my graphic tees. This one says something in another language. I'm guessing French, which I do not speak. So if you know what this means, let me know down in the comments below. Rire à éclats. I'm not really sure. But anyways, it's really cute. The brand is Mason Scotch, which is a really good line. I don't find it that often myself, but I think this is a really cute top, and I'll probably list it at $35. Okay. This piece is a window pane, kind of gingham print silk top, or it feels like silk. I'm pretty sure it is. It's a button-down blouse, and the brand is Equipment. So Equipment is a great brand if you find that one. They retail for quite a bit of money. It's a great career style blouse. It's got pockets on it. I'll probably list this at $50. I'm gonna look up this pattern and see if it's a popular one. This is a classic type of piece, so I think $50 would be a good price on it. Okay, next thing is something very bright and colorful. It looks like it's either a dress or a tunic top. So it's got a ruffle bottom, and then it is, oh, this is the front. So it's like a higher front with a scoop back, and it's actually by Jam's World, which I have found a couple Jam's World pieces lately. I sold a men's shirt in less than a week, and they're very tropical. They're made in Hawaii. I'll probably list this at $50. I really like that a lot. Great for the summertime. Next piece is a, kind of looks like a pillowcase from that way, but it's not. We'll turn it the right way. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, this is a one shoulder ruffle dress. It's either a dress or a tunic top. I think it's a dress because it's an extra small. So it is a dress. It's made well. Just a blue and white striped ruffle one shoulder piece. This will probably go, I would say I'll list it at $50. And people always ask if I discriminate based on size, or like if I won't pick something up because it's an extra small. I pick up any size anytime. My grandma does too, because there's always someone out there that's gonna be any size, so I just pick it all up if I can. But yeah, that dress is really, really cute. Okay, this piece, she is on a roll with finding this brand. So it's a plaid long sleeve button down top, and it's rails. I love rails. I haven't found it myself in quite a while, but she keeps finding it. I swear, like every box she's sent me recently has had a piece of rails in it. So I'll probably list this at around $45. It's like a beautiful peach and gray color combo. Next shirt we have, it says EC on it, and I see on the back, so it's a concert t-shirt. It's Eric Clapton. Let's see, it's probably from the New York City tour, or the tour date from New York City, but I do like to sell concert tees. People that go to concerts, they're really expensive at the concert, but sometimes they want to get a souvenir later on or remember it or whatnot. So I'll probably list this one at like $25 to $30. Again, Eric Clapton. I see another band t-shirt, and this one's really soft. It feels really good. It's Leonard Skinner. And this one, it doesn't have like a brand or anything like that, but I really like it. I'll probably list this at $30 just because it feels really good. It's like a classic rock t-shirt. Another graphic tee I can see, and it is AC/DC. So AC/DC, always a classic. Oh, this one is good. So this brand is actually, it's first of a kind, which is sold at LF. So there's a store called LF, and they do kind of relabel or redo a lot of vintage stuff. So I don't know, they might have made this shirt like a little bit smaller, but it is from LF. It's that first of a kind. I'll probably list this at $35. That's a good find. Next piece we have, really cute. It looks like a floral printed slip dress. So it's got the lace kind of sheer detailing, and the brand is Betsy Johnson, which is great. And this is actually a vintage Betsy Johnson piece. This black label is an older label. Now her label is pink, like a hot pink color. So this is a vintage, and it looks like it's probably past the knee. I'm gonna use words like 90s slip dress, grunge, Lolita, things that describe this style from the 90s, and that's perfectly on trend now. I think that'll do really well. I'm probably gonna list it between $50 and $75. I'll probably list it on the higher end and see how that does. It's a really well-made piece. Ooh, I see one of my favorite brands to sell right now is Adidas. I am loving Adidas stuff, and this sweatshirt, this is so cute. I kind of want to keep it for myself. I always say that, but I never end up keeping stuff for myself. It's almost like a denim looking sweatshirt. So it is cotton material, but it looks like denim. It is a, let's see, a women's size small, and it's kind of an oversized fit. It's got these looser sleeves. I'll probably list this one at maybe $50. That's just on trend. Adidas sells faster for me right now than almost any other athletic brand just because it is so popular. So that is an amazing find. Okay, next shirt that we have is a black workout tank top. She finds some great athletic style workout stuff, and it is, let's see, Lululemon. So there is the symbol on the back. I'll probably list this one at $30. It's just like a classic black workout tank. I see another Lululemon tank top, and this one is a red skinny strap racer back top. It's just kind of a lightweight material. It's got the Lululemon symbol on it. I'll probably list this one at $25. It's just like your basic tank. Usually I do the plain ones at $25 that don't have like a bra, and then the ones with a bra I'll do at $30 or $35. It just kind of depends on the style. Like this one, this is another Lululemon tank top. It's got the built-in bra. It has cutout details. It's got the little symbol. This one has a lot going on for it. It's in excellent condition. I'll probably list this one at $35 just because it has, you know, a little bit more of a design or detail to it. Okay, next thing we have is another graphic something. It's a graphic tank top, and it is the New York Yankees, and it's actually a Victoria's Secret pink collaboration tank top. So I love selling their sports, college, whatever theme collaboration Victoria's Secret pink stuff because it always sells pretty fast. It's really cute for fan apparel, and I'll probably list this at $30. The back is really low, so it's like a scoop back. That'll be cute with a bralette. I see a purse in here. She finds a lot of Le Sport Sac, which are great little travel bags, and this one, the strap's adjustable, so you could do it as a crossbody. It's got a lot of straps. The inside does have like a little bit of marks, but nothing too bad. I'll probably list this one at like $20 or $25. I see a soccer jersey or football, I know I should say, and it's Brazil. I haven't been following the World Cup, so I don't know if they're like still in it. It's Ronaldo. I know he's a good player, so I'll get that listed, maybe $35. I don't know how much those go for. Let's see. Ooh, another Adidas top, and this one is just a classic black tank top. It's a size medium, and I'll probably list this one at, I don't know, maybe $28. Okay, next top we have is a graphic tee. This one's a Johnny Cash t-shirt, which I love this style of Johnny Cash shirts. This one's really unique. It has almost an ombre finish on the graphic. I don't know if you can tell, it's like a pink and purple tie-dye look to it, and the brand is Zion, and then it's a size extra small, probably $30 on that one. Got a pair of cutoff jean shorts. I love selling denim cutoffs. I also really like the embroidery on these. That's really fun detail. These are by Lucky Brand. They are a size 2 or 26. I'll probably list these at $30. Lucky Brand shorts do pretty well. I don't always pick up the jeans, but I do like the cutoff shorts, so that was a good pick by her. Next we have a men's long sleeve, and it's a Lululemon shirt. This one feels really, really good. It's really soft. I'm probably going to list this one on the higher end because it is very nice quality, maybe $40 on that long sleeve. And then we have a women's Lululemon tank top. This one is really cute with the crossback design, and it's got the symbol on the back, and it also has the built-in bra with the padding. I'll probably list this one at $35 because, again, that does have a little bit more going on for it. This would have been perfect for 4th of July, so someone will still love this, but it's a really fun American flag fanny pack, waist pack, belt bag, whatever people call them now. They're perfect for the season, festival. People, they're really on trend is what I'm trying to say. And this one, I'm seeing if it's a brand. It's actually by American Apparel, so it is a brand. I'll look up and see how much these go for. Maybe 20 bucks on this. I have no idea. It's a little bit smaller of a size, but that's cute. Okay, next thing we have are a pair of workout capris. I really like this color combo a lot. They're gray, and then they have a peach, blue, and white stripe down the side. They are Athleta, size small. I'll probably list these at $45. They're in excellent condition. They have a zip on the back too. I like those a lot. I see another pair of workout pants. These are, I think these are Lululemon. They have the purple, and then they have this pink back zipper, and they also have some mesh paneling down at the bottom. I think I just saw the symbol on one of the legs, yeah. So they are Lululemon. And if you're not familiar with Lululemon, if the tag is missing, which the tag has been ripped out on the inside, then the size is normally on the inside of the pocket right there in the dot. So these are a size 4. I'll probably list these at $50 or $60. Another pair, it looks like, of Lululemon pants, and these are purple with a purple quilted waistband. They are skinny, looks like they are full length. And these I'll probably list around $50. They're a size 8. So those are nice, probably $50 on those. Got a nice little tank top all rolled up. Okay, we've got, it's a Victoria's Secret pink tank top, and again, it's sports theme, it's the college theme. And this one I think is Michigan State, looking at the symbol. It doesn't say on there, but I'm pretty sure. I had a friend that went there. So that's, I believe, Michigan State theme, probably $25 to $30 on that one. Okay, we found SoulCycle. She always finds something SoulCycle every time, I swear. So these are some printed workout capris from SoulCycle, and they are by Nike. So they are just a pair of Nike dry fit workout capris. Oh, I like on the back how that says run fast, live fearless. I'll probably list these around $50. Great find, Grandma. Okay, I see some more Adidas. These are really cute. I might actually keep these if they're my size. We'll see. These are small. I probably need a medium. But anyways, they're black and they have the Adidas on actually each leg. So both of the legs have the Adidas logo. I'm going to look up how much these retail for, and I'll probably list them pretty close to that. I don't think their leggings retail for too much, maybe 30 on these, if they don't fit me and I don't keep them. Okay, next we have a t-shirt. It's a graphic tee, men's. Oh, it's Dave Matthews Band. So it looks almost like a tiger on the front. And then at the bottom you can see it says Dave Matthews Band. And it's just a regular t-shirt brand, Next Level, size large. Probably 25 to 30 on that one. Okay, the rest of this box looks like it's a bunch of pants or bottoms. So the first one that we have, I think these are men's. So these are some Lululemon pants. They have these pockets with a button on the side. They also, it looks like, have a drawstring on the bottom, so that will cinch up. And there's no size tag. Ooh, they're fleece lined. So I'm gonna have to do a little investigating and look for the size, but just looking at them, they look like a pair of men's pants. So maybe like 60 bucks on these. I like the fleece lining a lot. Those feel really good. Okay, another pair of pants. These are men's, I believe, as well. They're a medium 32 length, and they are by Prana. So Prana is like a yoga, activewear, athletic line. These are some really nice cargo pants. Pretty sure they're men's. And it looks like you can roll up the bottom. Your bike, you can roll it up so it doesn't get caught in the gear. Maybe 50 bucks on those. I don't know how much those typically go for. Okay, a pair of jeans. I love my jeans. Jeans are one of my favorite things to sell, and this is actually one of my favorite brands that I mentioned in my favorite jean brands to sell. It is Frame Denim. These are a size 28, and just by looking at them, they look like a high-rise. Straight leg or skinny leg, I'll look up the style, but yeah, maybe $60, $65 on those. And then the last thing in here is one more pair of jeans. So we've got a pair of, these are the Paige jeans. This is the older label for Paige. The newer label's black and white, but that's okay. These will still sell. They're the Laurel Canyon. It says the style. I'll probably list these around $35 or $40. It looks like a boot cut style, and then the back does have some nice detailing on the pockets. And that is it for that box from Grandma. There you have it, everything that my grandma sent in the most recent thrift haul. She does an amazing job. She really looks at my Poshmark closet to see what type of stuff I'm listing, what type of stuff is selling, and she knows how to find stuff that will fit in perfectly, because honestly, all of this stuff I would pick out myself, and I'm really excited to get it listed. I have my Poshmark closet linked in the description box below. Please give Grandma a big thumbs up for this video, for this haul, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.